question, but I don't know if someone else has perhaps a question too.
No, they're going to say, okay, go ahead then. What is the question?
Hey, Rabbi, my question is about putting fences.
Mm-hmm.
Should we have to be very thoughtful before we put a fence upon something we feel we're gonna eventually fall on, or are all fences good? Because, for example, just to put my question in context,
Mm-hmm.
I had to delete all my accounts from social media because I would be losing too much time on them. But on the same token, I've been, all this time losing the opportunity to do kiruv, to do outreach with this kiruv, and because I have no other way to do so. So if one applies this sort of scenario to different situations, that's what I mean. So perhaps sometimes the fence would be too high, or are all fences like beneficial when we have the intention of not falling into certain sins?
Mm-hmm. So that's a very good question. So about the social media, so it's actually if it's a personal account, you can lose more than you gain, basically. So if for example, if a person started doing Teshuvah, and he has all of the 500 friends from his old life, right? That when they went I don't know, to the beach together, so they're not interested in Teshuvah. They're not interested in to listen from you. Like you, I'm not talking about you, but in general, from that person now, oh, you're such a tzaddik, you're such a righteous person. I remember like we did this and that, so they're not going to listen to him. So and plus they ask and I don't know, it's such a simple trap to fall into, and I want people, and I don't like sometimes I think that people don't have any brain. So I told them, I say everyone, don't go there. Don't go there. So there is your family, your old friends, and you think you're going to tell them about Parsha, about disproof, and about renewal of the moon, and about like all of the miracles that Hashem said. They're not going to listen to you. Guess what? Or they're going to listen to you for 5 minutes, and the rest of 2 hours you're going to listen to whatever they have to say. Understand that people fall into the trap and they go on down in the sorrows of Hashem. You understand? So if it's better to help the existing organization. So as we have BeEzrat Hashem, it's all organized. So just ask what you can do. There are many opportunities to help, right? But the personal thing again, if they knew you differently, they're not going to listen. Okay. Or if you know individuals, just send them and that's it. Right? Send them and run. So don't read whatever they send you back. So that's another thing, right? So I was trying to help some missionary. She was an aunt of my student, and he begged me because she was like very sick, dying, and maybe she in Israel, right? And maybe she would do Teshuvah. So I was trying I promised him. So I was trying to help, but whatever she said about all this, I don't know. Like when maybe they have like a template or something that they would send, like such a long exchanges. I would just delete them. Right? I read once. It was like tuma, so I would delete them and I would continue sending you back. But that it was too much. I saw it's not working. I just block you. It's too much. So just to look at the message on Yoshka this, Yoshka that, so it was too much. So it's like not everybody we're able to help. So like sometimes at one point of our life we have to acknowledge I cannot help everybody, even if I'm very spiritual, even if I'm very knowledgeable. But we have to remember there is another side, and it's not receptive. They do not care what you say. Okay. So going back to the fences, your obligation to save yourself first of all, then others. Okay, so do it in a very safe way from the far, right? So no personal contact. That's the way. You're welcome.
It's like when, let's say we're in a boat, but instead of jumping onto the water to save people, we just throw lifesavers instead of jumping ourselves.
Yes. So whoever want to swim, they can swim. Whoever cannot swim, so I mean, many today people are so into themselves, and everybody think that they're right, their way is right, this and that. So I mean, they're not able. They don't have any desire to hear you out. You understand? So our channel, different channel, is like very up, like Baruch HaShem. But most of the people who leave commentary in negative commentary, like making fun, like insult us, this and that. But only few, of course. I mean, many people don't leave any commentary, so we don't impact of what we do many times. But comparing commentary positive to negative, but I guess I would count like positive to the commentary base. So I would say 90% is negative. That is so bad. You understand? But compare if you say if you count as a commentary somebody who is signed up, so yes, the positive is more. But they do not talk. So basically we need interpersonal communication. You understand? So we have to stay away from all of these dangers. So because people especially these people who are like missionary mind, so they would ask you a question. What do you think about it? Please tell me more about religion. So, and I would send, I have a template and send them more. No, this Muslim guy, right? So he said, he said that I was expecting a more personalized answer. I said, we have the same answer for everybody for the past 3,330 years. Stop it. Understand? If you're interested in truth, here's the truth. If you're not. So, but I'm not going to speak with him, not going to explain him anything. You understand?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Actually, asked this question because I'm seriously thinking of getting rid of my phone. I want this one of these dumb phones instead, this flip phones or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Because mainly because of the current situation, Israel or whatever, I'm getting very much into these things and this new. I know this is it's not positive. This is not good, of course, that I delve into these things, but sometimes it's like I can't avoid it.
Mm-hmm.
And I know my Yetzirah is very relentless in regards to these things. So I don't know if getting rid of my phone would be too much because I use it for other things. I use it for especially to listen to Shiurim when I'm doing something else, like driving or doing dishes.
Yes.
So that's kind of the deal in regards to my question. Would it be too much to get rid of my phone?
That's too much. So to put yourself filters, so to for example, if when I got my phone, the smartphone, I had this news icon, or stocks, or health, or all of this garbage. I mean, all of the free garbage. So I delete them completely. You understand? So I delete completely maybe after a few days. So I had these pop-ups. This happened, that happened, too much. So I just delete them. You understand? And remember, every time have a pop-up for you. So you must learn Torah now. Maybe every hour, program every hour. You must learn Torah. Did you learn enough Torah today? So something like that for yourself to remind. And but to get rid of this smartphone, I have few people trying to do that. I mean, it's very challenging. I mean, today a proper communication actually require this phone, unless somebody is in yeshiva, and that's it. So I had one of the students in yeshiva, and he was calling me from phones, and it's very interesting. Somehow there's the whole system. It's like internet phone. Well, whatever it means. So it always like it's always like in caller ID, it's the different number. So I don't know, it's him or the marketing, like telemarketing. I had no idea. So, but I mean, it worked, but only when he can call only when he can, and many times in a day I could not answer, so it was very annoying. So, and I could not call him back because he decided like he does not need the phone, and now I have to like dance according to his music instead of just exchanges the voice notes whenever we have time. Understand? So it's complicate, like overcomplicate life, right? Plus, you can use it for Torah. Use it for Torah.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. It's a very good question.
Sorry to.
Yes. So again, so everybody have to decide for themselves about the fences. So if you like if you know that you practice that you failed 3 times in this area, so you have to be serious with yourself. Whatever fences you did, it's not high enough. You understand? So you have to be more serious. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.